Okay, so good morning, everybody. Well, today I'm a discussion on a very famous Indian festival that goes by the name Holi. And it is a festival of colors that is celebrated across whole India. And on this day, we celebrate with color. We celebrate victory of good over evil with color, with family. And we eat a lot of Indian delicacies. Especially on this day, we relish gujiyas. So there is a legend of Holika and Prahlad for which we celebrate Holi. So the legend goes like that. There was once a demon king by the name of Hiranyakashipu who won over the kingdom of earth. He was so egoistic that he commanded everybody in his kingdom to worship only him. But to his great disappointment, his son Prahlad became an ardent devotee of Lord Narayana and refused to worship his father. Hiranyakashipu tried several ways to kill his son Prahlad, but Lord Vishnu saved him every time. Finally, he asked his sister Holika to enter a blazing fire with Prahlad in her lap. For Hiranyakashipu knew that Holika had a boon whereby she could enter the fire unscathed. Treacherously, Holika coaxed young Prahlad to sit in her lap, and she herself took her seat in a blazing fire. The legend has it that Holika had to pay the price of her sinister desire by her life. Holika was not aware that the boon worked only when she entered the fire alone. Prahlad, who kept chanting the name of Lord Narayana all this while, came out unharmed as the Lord blessed him for his extreme devotion. Thus, Holi derives its name from Holika and is celebrated as a festival of victory of good over evil. Holi is also celebrated as a triumph of a devotee, as the legend depicts that anybody whosoever, whatsoever strong cannot harm a true devotee, and those who dare torture a true devotee of God shall be reduced to ashes. Celebration of the legend, even today, people enact the scene of Holika's burning to ashes every year to mark the victory of good over evil. In several states of India, especially in the north, effigies of Holika are burnt in the huge bonfire that are lit. There is even a practice of hurling cow dungs into the fire. The tradition of burning Holika is religiously followed in Gujarat and Odisha also. Here, people render their gratitude to Agni, the god of fire, by offering gram and stalks from the harvest with all humility. So, wishing all a very happy and safe Holi, and we'll be back with more stories. Till then, be humble and be safe and be true. Thank you so much for watching.